What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. I'm your host, Cameron Salapak, and we're going to be finishing up the rear chase light on the headache rack. Last time we got everything kind of cut out. We got the covers made and the holes drilled out, but just kind of ran out of time with everything happening as far as work and whatnot. But nonetheless, we're going to finish it up today, and it's gonna be super awesome. So looking at the area that we need to cut out, I kind of already traced the original plate, but ignore that. We're gonna retrace a new one on there, the ones that we cut out yesterday. And the other thing too was that this area is a bit small for the giant grinder. So I ended up going to Menards and grabbing a Dremel, and hopefully that'll be good enough to cut through this thick steel. So, we're going to trace it, but when we cut it out, we have to mark, we can't cut out the parts where the holes are, because we got to leave a little bit of metal for it, so that way we can tap it and thread it, so that way we can put a small bolt there. So that way we have enough surface area to hold it together. So here's what I'm looking at. So we have the main shape of the cover, but we also have it marked out where the holes are going to be, and then this middle part here will be the open section. All right, got the chase light where I want it. I have the tab on the back. I ran out of sandpaper that goes on my this tool here. I thought I had more, but apparently I didn't. So, but that doesn't matter, because we'll end up cleaning that up in a different day. However, I can get on the inside of it and put a few tacks on the tab, and we'll get this thing done. So I got the tabs welded in there. Got that one on that side, and then this one on the other side as well. So fit this chase light in here and turn it on and see if everything works. So I had an oopsie.
What'd you do?
I guess when I was putting the tab on the driver's side, when I put it in, I screwed it in just so it would hold it, and that way it would line it up and nothing would be all weird and out of alignment. Anyways, I tried to unscrew it, and it was super tight, and it wouldn't come out or anything. So I ended up getting it out, and I pulled the chase light out, and looks like it's stripped. So that'll be something I have to fix. I would also like to put different hardware on there. So instead of it being a Phillips head, I think I want to make it like a bolt instead. So we'll have to weld that and fix that. So it is what it is. Moment of truth. All right. tell you what, that came out pretty good. Other than the stripped little screw, but ain't nothing I can't fix. So, because I break a lot of stuff, that's how I learn how to fix things. So anyways, thank you guys for hanging out. I'm glad we finally got that finished. Next thing will be to redo the Baja light bar. I got some cool things in the next video for it. So, oh boy, I cannot wait. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.